Unforgettable advice on improving your affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a lot of work, and there are so many ways that someone can either improve upon the program or change the program entirely. So whether you need more techniques to help promote your site, or if you're looking for a new program to promote your site, take a look at the tips below. Keep affiliate marketing sites organized by tagging all of the posts. Tags help visitors find the content important to them. It also helps search engines understand which keywords are relevant to the site. Make the tags as descriptive as possible in order to generate traffic to the site and increase profits. Take advantage of press releases to boost your internet marketing efforts. Using a press release is a great way to raise awareness about your business and to reach new customers. There are a number of online distribution networks available for sharing press releases, making it easy to announce newsworthy items related to your business. Your affiliate status may suffer if you choose to market some of the web's most popular products. Of course, you should want to market high-quality goods, but that doesn't mean they have to be the most popular. You are going to run into a lot of rivals if you pick something that is wildly popular. In this case, generating profit may not be possible. To increase your revenues while acting as an affiliate, it's a great idea to actually market your own products. The great part here is that you don't even have to create it yourself. You can find the resell rights for many great information products and offer them for low prices on your site, or even hold 2-for-1 deals. Affiliate marketing can be a very effective tool to have in your arsenal for promoting your business. You may already have a successful business, but you may want to know how to promote it further, or you may want to learn something new for future marketing plans. No matter your reasons, hopefully the tips above have given you some ideas. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.